Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop.
When I'm doing this, it was about 18 degrees out in the shop. Wind was blowing pretty hard and drifting snow in through the gaps in the wall. I'm running the little propane heater, which is why everything's roaring. I'm not running the fans because I can't have a fire in the firebox while I'm working on the fans. So I've got the fans off and I'm getting ready to take them off the back so I can work on that blower that was making so much noise.
Takes a 3/8 drive to get those screws out. .3/8 socket. Let's see if I can reach him. There's one. That bottom one's not going to come out. It's hit back out of the way. I've got to get up again. Dang it all. Straight bit screwdriver to get it out. If I'd known that, I wouldn't have to fiddle with all that crap with the sockets. Okay, lesson learned. I should have checked this damn fan before I put it in. Before I set the chimney on it. I could have pulled it out into the room, tipped it up on its face, even after I welded up the door. Now I could take the chimney off, slide the door forward, or slide the furnace forward, and get to it a lot easier, but I got it done. I got it apart. I guess that's really what the game is.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.